back, and I want to talk about my latest toy, my Flight Centurion Tenor solid body Les Paul-like style sunburst ukulele, vintage sunburst. Excuse me. So, while I turned off the video, it turned off completely. So I had to start a new one, but that's okay. I got this one from Tapestry Music. Now, this has all the makings of the Risa, except full-size knobs. Yeah, full-size knobs. You can actually read what place you're at. So you can tell if you're at 0, somewhere in between, or 10. Has all 4 knobs. These are your volumes. These are your tones. 2 Risas. 2 Risa pairs, I should say. Pickups. Decent, awesome, I should say, not decent. Tuning pegs. And you have all your markings, so you can tell where you're playing. Let's do the sound. Okay, let's say you want it to rock out. So you're going to want to play something like this. Maybe I should have that in the middle, eh? Because it's a little bit of both. Oh, doesn't that sound cool? But let's say you wanted to play something fancy for church. Okay? So, you know, that's the lead part to a song for church. That sounds so cool because it actually holds the note. And when you stretch, it really stretches. It holds that tone. And you can go up, stay there as long as you want, and come back down whenever you want. And let's say you're playing a little bit of both. Okay? But, yeah, a little bit of both. You know, or you want to play Oh man, it sustains. Oh, yeah, that sounds so nice. Let's say you're just playing in a play rhythm. I turn that rhythm up. Okay. And let's say I want to get a nice clean sound for church. Oh, you can even make it do that nice sustain even at the first fret. It's so cool. Okay, and then if you want to get a little raunchier, or you want to get super raunchy, you got everything in between. And if you're doing a little bit of both, I must say, the Centurion Les Paul style tenor ukulele sunburst, vintage sunburst by Flight is your ukulele if you need to do everything and still be able to rock out and play at church. Get all the sound you need. This is your ukulele. If you want to play folksy, you play a wood ukulele. You want to play, well, it's kind of clean, but not have much power, you get an Onion Nova ukulele. This is the ukulele for everything. Okay, I gotta say goodbye. Thank you for hanging around, finding out what the Centurion Flight Tenor Sunburst, vintage sunburst tenor ukulele sounds like. And I do recommend it. It sounds just as good as the Risa for half the price. If you live in Canada, the only place you can get it is Tapestry Music, Vancouver. I will be putting up the link as well as the symbol, their logo. It'll be up in this video. And if you're into Christian music, do think about joining Christian Ukulele Circle. We have all types of Christian music there. I mean, everything. From folk, to country, to soul, to rock, to punk. I mean, everything. Everything is there, as long as it's in the key of Christian.